Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how we can use columns in Flutter. When we have multiple widgets and we want to align them in vertical inside our body, we have to use column. If we have here, as you can see, we have one container color red color, and also I have created three more containers with different colors like blue, green and yellow. Now if I want to write all the containers inside my body, I let's add. As you can see, I cannot add multiple widgets inside body, so I have to wrap this inside column widget. Now I can pass children's as a list of widgets, so I can add here red box, blue box, green and yellow. Let's save it. As you can see, we have aligned our widgets in vertical way, right? Here also we can add main axis alignment. Let me show you what it means. Let's set main axis alignment to center. When I refresh, it sets all the containers inside column to center of it, right? Main axis alignment for column is vertical, and cross axis alignment for column is horizontal. For main axis alignment, we can also use center and space around, space between, space evenly, start, right? Let's check space around. It will specify space between all the elements of column. Let's check one more, space between. As you can see, it will specify space between all the children's of column, right? So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.